Megan. Over here. This is hers, right? Hope so. Oh!
When do you fall over?
You're killing me, Steph. Yeah, you gotta actually hit the guy.
I love the music.
I love when you miss. It's great.
This is tiring!
Now do I have my arm was sore? Oh, you can duck, by the way. You can move, yeah. No, you gotta move your arms to the side.
Ooh.
There you go.
Like Tybo.
Wait, watch out.
Oh, dude. You weren't even fighting, Steph. You didn't. Oh, my God. What are you doing? Awesome. Go. Oh. You were practicing. He was telling you how to do it.
Practicing?
No, he was telling her how to fight.
That's really funny.
Keep going. Keep going. You do it. Look, you almost got him. Okay, now watch out. He might come back up. Wait till it says fight again. To start fighting.
Oh my gosh, I'm with tired all of a sudden.
Good job. You got down at 1. Danielle can't do that.
Knockout.
Wow.
I just fought him while I was putting the practice part together.
That was the best part. There was one.
Oh.
You want to play again? Or keep going?
Yeah.
Okay.
Awesome.
Just hit play again.
Don't be
I'm pumped to do this. You're having a
My
blast,
hands are sweating a little bit now. It's hot. I'm hot right now.
Okay, first one.
Oh, he looks weird.
He's a little harder.
He's like happy.
Like they get harder.
Look at him. Yeah, he looks way too happy.
Keep going.
Take a picture of the TV.
Are you done? Put the thing up to your face.
I've just been recording this whole time.
Have you really been? That's funny.